Next problem, evaluate integral y equal to 0 to 2, integral x equal to 0 to 3, xy dx dy. See here, they have given direct x limits and y limits. Here, no worry about that. If we are integrating with respect to, sorry, not differentiating, integrating with respect to x, then we can apply the x limits. After that, integrating with respect to y, again we are applying the limits. Why? Because here x and y both are in real numbers only, not in expression of the variables. So here, first taking the double integral y equal to 0 to 2, integral x equal to 0 to 3, xy dx dy. The first integral is represented as a x variable. So y equal to 0 to 2, the integral x equal to 0 to 3, x dx, the another variable is the y dy, right outside. Put bracket for x values. Okay, x variable. Here integral y equal to 0 to 2, integration of x dx is x square by 2, limits from 0 to 3, y dy. It is equal to integral y equal to 0 to 2. In the place of x, write upper limit and lower limit. Lower limit 0 means 0 by something is 0. Just we can take the upper limit, that is 3 square by 2 into y dy. Here 3 square by 2 is a constant right outside of the integration. 3 3s are 9 by 2. Integral y equal to 0 to 2 y dy. That is equal to 9 by 2. Y integration is y square by 2. Limits from 0 to 2. Again here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. 2 square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. The second term reduced to 0. So it is equal to 9 by 2 into 2 square by 2. Here 2 ones are 1 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 1 2 get cancelled. It is equal to 9 is the answer. Therefore, integral y equal to 0 to 2, x equal to 0 to 3, xy dx dy equal to 9 is the answer. Question. Third question. Integral 0 to 1, integral x root x square plus y square into dx dy. Here the question is in first one is x real values, that is x equal to a to b, x equal to. The second integration is y equal to x to root x. That is nothing but the function of x comma y is x square plus y square dx dy. The y variable can be expressed in x function, that is nothing but y equal to x is a one boundary line, y equal to root x is another boundary line. The curve is bounded by y equal to x to y equal to root x. In this case, first we can integrate with respect to y. That is nothing but x square plus integral y equal to integral y equal to x to root x, x square plus y square into dy whole dx. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a. X square is a variable, but x square into dy is x square y. Why? Because in this integration, x square treating as a constant. We are integrating with respect to y. So integral 1 dy is y, limits from x to root x, plus y square integration is y cube by 3, limits from x to root x whole dx. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a x square, upper limit is root x minus lower limit is x plus y cube by 3 means 1 by 3 into root x whole cube minus x whole cube by 3 whole dx. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a. Here x power root x means x power 1 by 2. Okay. 2 plus 1 by 2. Taking LCM 5 by 2. So x into root x is x power 5 by 2 minus x square into x is x cube plus x power 1 by 2 whole power 3, that is equal to x power 3 by 2. 1 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 minus x cube by 3 whole dx. Here, these two are x cube terms. These two are different powers. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a. Sorry, 0 to a, not 0 to 1. Their limits are. They have given the value 1, 1, 1, 1. A value is 1 only. Okay. Here, minus x cube by 3. Taking LCM. 3 is the LCM. Minus 3 minus 1 into x cube. That is minus 4x cube. So x power 5 by 2 plus x power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 4x cube by 3 into dx. This is the rough work. Now x power 5 by 2 means that is equal to x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1, limits from 0 to 1, plus x power 3 by 2, integration is x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, outside 1 by 3 is there, limits from 0 to 1, minus 4 by 3 is a constant right outside, x to the power of 4 by 4, limits from 0 to 1. It is equal to 1 power, taking LCM, 2 is the LCM, 5 plus 2, 7 by 2 by 7 by 2. Minus 0 by something is 0 plus 1 by 3 into 1 power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. LCM of 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 4 by 3, 1 power 4 by 4. Here 4 ones are 4 ones are. 1 power something is 1 only. That is 2 by 7 plus 2 by 5 threes are 15. 1 power something is 1 minus 1 by 3. LCM of 7, 15, 3. 3 5s are 1s are. 7 5s are 35 into 5, 100 into 3, 105. 105 is the LCM. Here 7 is there. 15 2s are 30. 15 is there. 15 7s are 15 7s are 30, 105. 7 7s are 49. Minus 3 is there. 7 5s are 35. Minus 35. Here second one is the plus. 79 minus 35 by 105. It is equal to 44 by 105 is the answer. One minute here. 1 by 3, 5 by 2 means this is 2 by 15. It is 2 by 15. It is minus 1 by 3. Here, the simplification is little bit mistake here. 7. 7 2s are 14. So 44 minus 35 by 105. It's 9 by 105. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 5s are 3 by 35 is the answer. Here 5 by 2, I took 7 by 15, but here it is 2 by 15. Taking the LCM after the simplification, 3 by 15. Next problem, evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, dx dy by under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. Here we can take the given integration 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, both are the same limits, dx dy by under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. It is equal to integral 0 to 1 d integral 0 to 1 dy or dx by under root of 1 minus x square whole into dy by under root of 1 minus y square. First, we can integrate the x with respect to x. Integral y equal to 0 to 1 dx by under root of 1 minus x square means that is the sine inverse x limits from 0 to 1 into dy by under root of 1 minus y square. It is equal to integral y equal to 0 to 1. Sine inverse x means sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse of 0 into dy by under root of 1 minus y square. It is equal to integral y equal to 0 to 1. Sine inverse 1 means that is pi by 2. Sine inverse 0 is 0 into dy by under root of 1 minus y square. Pi by 2 right outside. Integral y equal to 0 to 1 dy by under root of 1 minus y square. It is also same expression. So pi by 2. Integration of dy by under root of 1 minus y square is sine inverse y. Limits from y equal to 0 to 1. That is pi by 2. Sine inverse of 1 minus sine inverse of 0. It is equal to, we know that sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Sine inverse of 0 is 0. Pi into pi square or pi by 2 whole square or pi square by 4 is the answer. Next question. Evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to under root of 1 plus x square dy dx by 1 plus x square plus y square. This is the integration. Just here you can observe what is it 1 plus x square. Suppose you can put 1 plus x square is equal to some variable small p. Y already in this x and y variables are there. We can take the different, that is 1 plus x square equal to p. Then we can write in the place of 1 plus x square we can write p. But it is not in the suitable form. When we can take under root of 1 plus x square is equal to p, then squaring on both sides, 1 plus x square becomes a p square. Okay, just we can squaring on both sides. Then the reduction of this 1 plus x square is p square plus y square. We know that integral of dx by a square plus x square is equal to tan inverse x by a. Okay, that is the tan inverse of x by a. Before 1 by a is also there. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a is a formula. For that purpose, we can take for easy to reduction of the integration or for easy to solve the integration. Take the given integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to under root of 1 plus x square dy dx by 1 plus x square plus y square. Substitute integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to p dy dx by p square plus y square. Okay. Here it is equal to integral 0 to 1. It is in the form of y square, dy by p square plus y square. That we can write integral 0 to p dy by p square plus y square whole dx. It is equal to integral 0 to 1. This integration is tan inverse y by p into 1 by p, limits from 0 to p dx. Here 1 by p write outside. Why? Because don't write 1 by p outside. Why? Because p is equal to under root of 1 plus x square is there. So here integral 0 to 1 tan inverse, here 1 by p, tan inverse, upper limit is p by p minus tan inverse, lower limit is 0 by p. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. Here p cancel, that is nothing but tan inverse 1. It is equal to integral 0 to 1. What is p? 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 0 is 0 into dx. Here pi by 4 is a constant right outside. Integral 0 to 1, 1 by under root of 1 plus x square dx. If 1 by under root of x square, 1 plus x square is nothing but that is the h inverse, sine h inverse formula. Pi by 4 sine h inverse x by a, here x by 1, 1 by a, that is plus c or limits from 0 to 1. Okay. Here what is the formula? Integral 1 by under root of 1 plus x square dx is the sine h inverse x by a or x only. If it is 1 is there, then x only. Now we can apply the upper limit and lower limit. Pi by 4 sine h inverse x means 1 by 1 is 1 minus sine h inverse 0 by 1. Okay. That is equal to pi by 4 sine h inverse 1 is sine h inverse 1 only. Sine h inverse 0 is 0. So this is the integral value. Pi by 4 sine h inverse 1. Why? Because hyperbolic function is not equal to sine inverse function. That is expression of the exponential. E power x minus e power minus x by 2, like that. Okay. Just you leave that sine h inverse 1 only.
Sorry.
Next problem. Evaluate integral 0 to 4, integral y square by 4 to y by x square plus y square into dx dy. Here x variable is in the x function can be expressed in y variable, that we can remember. Okay. X variable in y function. Okay. That's why first we can integrate with respect to x only. It is solution here. Integral 0 to 4, integral y square by 4 to y by x square plus y square into dx. Why? Because it's expressed in y variable into dy. It is integral 0 to 4. Okay. Here 1 y by means y is a constant. Just we can write here. The same y we can write here. Then it is 1 by x square plus y square into dx. What is the form? It is x square plus a square into dx form. What is a here? Y. That is y into, this is the outside y. This is in the form of tan inverse. Why? Because integral 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a, or a square plus x square is also the same thing. Here 1 by y tan inverse x by y, limits from y square by 4 to y dy. Here this y get cancelled. It is equal to integral 0 to 4 tan inverse, upper limit is y by y, minus tan inverse, upper limit is y square by 4 into y whole dy. Y cancel, that is integral 0 to 4 tan inverse 1 minus 1y cancel, that is tan inverse of y by 4 into dy. Tan inverse 1 is nothing but integral 0 to 4, that is pi by 4 minus tan inverse of y by 4 into dy. Okay. Here, integral of tan inverse of y by 4, we can integrate with respect to y. That is the integration by parts. This is the pi by 4 is a constant right outside. It's a pi by 4, and integral 1 dy is, sorry, this is outside. Integral 1 dy is y, limits from 0 to 4. Minus here integral 0 to 4 tan inverse of y by 4 into dy. From the by parts, we know that integral tan inverse, or we can take integral 0 to 4 tan inverse of y by 4 dy is equal to, it can taking as inverse islet form. Inverse function is u and another function is v. So 1 is v. It can be into 1 dv. We know that integral uv dx is equal to, or dy equal to u integral v dy minus integral u dash integral v dy whole dy. That is the by parts method. That is uv method. Okay. Here tan inverse of y by y, it is u. Integral 1 dy is y minus integral tan inverse of y by 4 means 1 by 1 plus y by 4 whole square into 1 by 4. And again integral 1 dy means it's y whole dy. It is equal to y tan inverse of y by 4 minus 4 4s are 16, and that 4 is comes to the numerator 16. 16 integral. Here one more 4 is there, that is right outside. Y by 16 plus y square into dy. 4 1s are 4 4s. It is equal to y tan inverse y by 4 minus 4. Now here we can multiply with 2 and divide with 2. 16 plus y square equal to, that is f dash of y by f of y dy. That is log of 16 plus y square. Okay, this is the 2 1s are 2 2s are. What is this? Integral tan inverse of y by 4 dy is equal to y tan inverse of y by 4 minus 2 log of 16 plus y square. Okay, this is the integration by parts. We get the integration value. Now, this is the, we can do aside, then substitute here. What we are getting? Integral 0 to 4, integral y square by 4 to y by x square plus y square dx dy is equal to, apply this, it is the integration part. Now we can write here pi by 4 into 4 minus 0 minus tan inverse y by 4 dy value is y tan inverse of y by 4 minus 2 log of 16 plus y square limits 0 to 4. Now we can simplify it. This 4 cancel, that is equal to pi minus 4 tan inverse of 4 by 4 minus 2 log of 16 plus 4 square is 16 minus 0 into tan inverse 0 by 4 minus into minus plus 2 log of 16 plus 0 is equal to pi minus 4 tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus into minus plus 2 log 32, it's a 0, minus into plus minus 2 log 16. This 4 cancel. Pi minus pi is also get cancelled. It is equal to common log 32 minus log 16. Log A minus log B is log A by B. That is log 32 by 16. 16 ones are 16 twos are 2 log 2 or 2 log 4. Any value. This is the solution.